reciprocal graphs aren't too complicated, to be honest. It's more just a matter of remembering and memorizing what they look like. So reciprocal means 1 over and then something. So when I'm talking about a reciprocal graph, I'm talking about 1 over x or 1 over x squared. So the 1 over x graph, the y equals 1 over x graph, shall I say, will look something like this, where your axis, your x and y axis, are asymptotes. An asymptote means a region that a line goes towards but never touches. So technically, let's say this line, let's say if I extend my axis, this line will tend towards the x-axis, but it will never touch the x-axis. Sorry, that's the y-axis. It will tend towards y, but will never touch it. Same thing with x. It's going to tend towards x. It's never going to touch it. That's the y equals 1 over x graph. If I have minus 1 over x, it's just going to be in the other, quadrants of your axis. Let's say if I have the y equals 1 over x squared graph, then it's going to go here and it's going to go there. Okay? And then if you have x, let's say y equals minus 1 over x squared, it's just going to go downwards. It's going to go like this. Other two quadrants. Cool? Okay. Now, let's say you didn't have a 1. Let's say you had, I don't know, a 4. So let's say 4 over x. All that's going to happen is your asymptotes are going to move, or your graph is going to move outwards. So instead of, let's say, being here, it's going to be out there. This would be the 4 over x, this would be the 1 over x. And the same thing down there. This would be 1 over x, that would be 4 over x. So the larger this number is, the further out your graph is going to be from the x-axis or y-axis. That's it. That's reciprocal graphs.